This time, I'm gonna show you an aerial shot. Hey guys, so Karon, we are already here in Valencia and we had a little stopover. There is Australia's Food House. So we had our breakfast today and we will be eating, and later on we are going to explore the Bukid of Valencia. If we're going to Valencia and then you happen to be hungry, I recommend basta later. Wala na nagkaon. So this time we are going to try their special halo-halo. There is a restaurant ay sa mga food house ang pinakanan. Medyo nilanay na ang iyang ice cream guys, kaya nakalimot ko nga dapat ang meron tayo pa-serve niya. Pa-serve naman siya, so dali-dali na lang magkaon, then ito, serve na, and we're gonna try it out. If you want to guys, taste ng real na legit good na halo-halo good, no? Tama mo. Kana guys, anong tinood na halo-halo dyan ba? Nandili pro ice. Oo, diba? Bitaw tinood na siya. Kani ba siya legit din siya kayong halo-halo? If you wanna find good, try halo-halo nga legit din. Anis Valencia. Basta nice. There is Australia's kay Kwan. Ang ambience niya is very relaxing while you are eating. Hindi po siya init and it's spacious also. And at the same time, Kwan siya. Basta it's a breath of fresh air. If you are living in the city and you want to relax also and eat your dinner or lunch or breakfast, you can eat here. Let's go! That way is going to Casaroro Falls, and this one, the one that we are heading on, is sa Pinaawasan Falls. So we decided not to go there sa Casaroro Falls because nakatry naman mi dito. So natry mi dito sa Pikas kay parang kami kasulay. Let's go! Guys, so like we are mga 3 minutes walk na gikan dito sa may Casaroro Falls nga kanang entrance nga dre nindus kayo kay bisag medyo hingak-hingak gamay kay paangat man dito dapita sa mga 2 minutes or 3. Tapos diri kay medyo bugnaw siya good kay like as you can see we are surrounded with a lot of forest good like everywhere everything is green and green siguro. And then well, makaingon juga nga wala na yung COVID rin dapita. That's why I decided to remove my mask. Kaya murag hingak po kayo, lisod kayong i-ginhawa. We've talked with one of the natives there sa Barangay Valencia, and then we're actually going to Pinaawasan Falls unta kanya kay natong gulang dito sa unahan sa ibabaw nga medyo layo-layo daw siya, so nana siya nga anak na lang mo sa cave nga mas dool, so naadre hopefully tinuod nga dool ang cave nga mga doon. So mo to siya, let's go. Muna lang ni cave guys. Na-scam na po me for the second time around. Imagine na oh, ang tawa mong cave. My god. Is it worth it? Natay. Wala, sige ra. Umitaw taglain. Ika pala ka na pa nilain dagkan pa ni. Let's go. So masulay mi o try for the third attempt. Na may gibutan dito sa entrance ko dapat ganina nga na ay viewing deck. We will try. Basag scam na po niyan eh. Hopefully dili. It's actually the best way for us to like burn the foods that we have taken in kanina. Ganyan kung ganina busog mi kaayo, so mo din busog mi kaayo di ay dapat yun na mag-trek gud ay over wala mi na inform, wala na po nang ma-inform. Sakit. Diyan na kayo ang lugar, pero we were fooled third time. Dilimpod kay Kausara day, katarang babae ganina. Kuyo katong foreigner. Nangutanak ko og pila ka minutes, siya 10 minutes, pero ningan nga tong native dere. 1 hour kapin. Nya wa pa jud koy tour guide. Hinalan siya tour guide kay if dili daw malos daw ko. So tulo ka mga attempts ng mga spots ng mga tuon, we are down to our 4th spot attempt, and this is hopefully we would be able to arrive at our destination, which is the Japanese shrine. So we are going to the Japanese shrine. So after 48 years we are already here in the Japanese shrine. Our 4th stop. So katong ganina, if you think na ni-surrender na may, you're wrong. Because we're here. So medyo sayon ang dalan diri padulong compared atong ganina, because the other way around, there are actually 2 ways padulong diri. The first way is katong medyo rough road na maglakaw kag mga 1 hour kapin. Ay te, may buntag. So even though we were able to have 2 or 3 epic failed na mga kanabitang spots na atuan, but still we were able to succeed sa mga 4th spot. And at the back is an overlooking. Later we are going to lift you up through the air, no, para makita mo sa ato ang unsa kanindot ang view there is sa Japanese shrine. So basically gitawag siya og Japanese shrine because according to the caretaker na naadiri karon niya na siya, this is a camp sa mga Japanese militaries diri, and naapo diri kadaghanan pang lubong ang mga nangamatay nga mga Japanese atong time sa una. So that's why it's called Japanese shrine. So a little trivia lang to siya. So ito ang palibot guys, kaya pwede kang magkanang like more of like kung mag soul searching ka or meditation, something like inana. Nice kayo siya kay fun. Very mingaw, very peaceful, very calm ang lugar. Diba? Diba guys? Sige. Sige. So, ano lang dali. So, dito na lang sa dapit ng area. Dito is kanang is an overlooking, tama ba ang term? Overlooking view sa Dumaguete City, and dito kung dapita makita na to ang part sa Sibulan dito na area. So I would really recommend Japanese shrine to be one of the places nga nindot nga i-visit, no? If you guys know who are looking this vlog, dalan taon nga vlog, ito gani come and visit, no, Japanese shrine, because it's something to kanabitong i-recommend for those people nga wala pa kaani din eh. If you want a peaceful place for like soul searching, or like kanang place for you to relax, no, from stress nimo sa imong kinabuhi, sa imong pag-work, Japanese shrine is the place to be. This time, I'm gonna show you an aerial shot. Turns out so good. Bisan to dog nag-start siyang medyo things like uncontrollable things na naitabo sa ako ang alaag, but then at the end of the day nindot ra po siya naitabo. So we're down to our last itinerary na accidental itinerary ginamo, no? Naataron sa Dawin, one of the resorts whom I believe ang name niya is Rosana Alar Beach and Seaside Bar na ada rin dapita ron, no? And we are going to end our travel today here at Dawin. So before anything else, before we are going to end this vlog, I'd like you to share or subscribe. Pinaka-importante, no? Subscribe sa ako ang channel, because we are needing 1,000 subscribers or more. Dayon, please don't skip also kay para at least ang watch hours na to. Kinanglan po na to. Thank you guys. Bye!